caps, the overhand cap, together time, side plane. Oh, okay, well then let's drill this. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'm not sure if we have actually done this part before. If you imagine that you completed the anti-spin portion of it and you were up here, do a together time 360 turn to the right and then come back down into the cap. So your hands are up top, you turn 360 and come back down. And we'll do another cap, and now come up to the top again and turn to the right 360, boom, boom, and cap 3 and 2 and 1. And now when you come up to the top, turn one more time to the right. Then we're gonna do 4, 3, and we're gonna turn to the left this next time. And right here, turn left all the way around, come back and cap 4 and 3 and 2 and 1, up to the top, turn left. Third turn, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now go up to the top, all the way around, boom, boom, boom. And then this is the last set, 4 and 3 and 2 and 1, and turn 360, and we're in overhand again. Now come down to the bottom. Let's do a counterclockwise chasing the sun. So turn to the right, come up to the counterclockwise pinwheel, split time, back to together time, back to split time, back to together time. Now we'll do asymmetric big, so the left is big, the left is big, the left is big, the left is big. Now come back to together time, and then we'll do asymmetric where the right is big only. So right is big, right is big, right is big, right is big, back to together time, 4 and 3 and 2, and now we'll go left big for 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, together time for 2 and 1. Now right big for 4, 3, 2, 1. Now go left big, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go right big, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now cut it in half. So 2 and 1. Now right side, 2 and 1. Left side, 2 and 1. Right side, 2 and 1. Okay, now come back to together time. Now we'll go together time big and turn 360 and come down, double stall, change direction. Now we're in clockwise. We're going to do the same set of movements we just did with the asymmetry. So we'll do 4 and together time here, 3, 2, 1. Now we'll go right big, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left big, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right big, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left big, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right big for 2. 1 and 2. Left big, 1 and 2. Right big, 1 and 2. Left big, 1 and 2. Now alternate. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Now both. And both again. And both again. And now we're going to do a 360 to the left in the giant. And then 4, big, 3, 2. And now after the 1, turn left again. And 4, 3, 2, and 1. Turn left again. And back up to pinwheel. Turn right to overhand weave. Under the left leg, under the right leg, under the left leg, under the right leg, back to overhand weave. Turn left to underhand weave. And open up left, giant right, giant left, giant right, back to underhand weave. Turn right to pinwheel. Lift the right leg, tap the right point on the bottom of it. Come into overhand butterfly, thread the needle. Take the thread the needle, bring it up, 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 over your head. Take your left point, come down, tap it on your back, turn to the right in clockwise corkscrew. Make it together time, then come under your right leg, then your left leg, and then up and back down, and come under the right leg and left leg. Next time down, right, then left, then up and down, up and down. Now under the leg again, third time, right leg, left leg, up and down, and then last time, right leg, left leg, up, down, plane shift it up to the pinwheel, split the time, make it big. 4, 3, 2, 1, and then we're gonna turn to the left. Here we go, boom, boom. And now do your asymmetric ones, right side, left side, right side, left side, right side, left side, right, last time right, last time left, back to the regular pinwheel, and chase the sun clockwise. 4, 3, 2, and now this next time come under the left leg with the left poi. 1 and 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come under the left leg with the left poi. Third set, 4 and 3 and 2, and left poi under the left leg. And last set, 4 and 3 and 2, and under the left leg with the left poi, and come down, double stall, and counterclockwise chasing the sun.